Hey, what's up everyone? Jesse James here, and as a fitness content creator, I'm always looking for ways to enhance my video, and that's where the GoPro Hero comes in handy. With this compact design, I can just fit it in my pocket. A neat feature that I like about the GoPros is if you're around water, you don't have to worry about damaging the GoPro, because if you drop it, it's waterproof. And that was the GoPro Hero. Before your next big adventure, make sure to swing by the GoPro website. You can actually get 10% off the GoPro if you use the code GPFamily10, and I'll throw in a handler floating grip for free.